Hello guys, I'm Elise, and in today's video I will help you with the problem of apps not being installed in your iOS 17. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your settings app like this and sign out from your Apple ID, then sign in again. This will ensure that your cache that's unwanted will get deleted. So after you've signed out and signed in, then go back to your home, then scroll a bit down and click on screen time, then click on content and privacy restrictions. After that, you need to make sure that your allowed apps are all allowed like this. It should all be turned on. After it is turned on, then go back to your home page and then click on your apps and make sure that your apps is allowed as well. These steps will ensure that your apps will get installed properly and you will not have any problems. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm Elise signing off. If you have any questions or comments, please drop it down in your comment box and I will see you on the next one. Please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.